Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at Kling AI, which is one of the best AI video generation models out there. It can do images as well, but today we're going to be focusing on video generation. If you're a software engineer or if you're just interested in what AI can do, I highly recommend you to take notice of tools like this so that you can add it to your tool belt and stay relevant in this fast-changing landscape. In this video, the method on using this model will probably be a little different than most tutorials that you find on Kling AI, but I personally think that my method is superior, and it's just as easy actually. So let's dive in. I want to start off briefly showing you Kling AI's website so that everyone's on the same page. Basically, this is it. It has a lot of options for image generation, video generations, and effects, so feel free to play around with it. But basically, this is what we're looking for, AI videos. As you can see, all you really need to do is enter in a prompt and hit generate. There's different options for like text to video, image to video, lip syncing, and other like features in the website. Personally, from my testing, I usually get the best results from image to video route. Basically, I spend some time generating the perfect starting image that I want, and I use it as like a guide. You can think of it as like storyboarding. Now, using this website is probably going to be good for most people, but personally for me, I don't want another AI subscription to deal with, and I also found that Kling AI, especially on like the free tiers, can take extremely long to generate depending on like the current traffic to the site. But luckily, there is a better way. So let's head over to Replicate. If you see my video on Flux AI, the LoRa fine-tuning video, you'll be familiar with this website. And in this Kling AI 1.6 environment, you'll be able to run video generations without waiting in line and only paying a few cents for every second of generations. Now, there's different environments based on what resolution you want, but the standard is like a 720p. If you want 1080p, there is the pro version of it. And importantly for me, this also supports image to video generations, and all you need to do is insert your image and enter a prompt. From my testing, it only takes a few minutes for these generations, and you can even fine-tune a generation to fix bad looking hands or movements. So it's pretty flexible in my opinion. Skipping the long wait and subscription is just one thing, but in my opinion, there's also another huge advantage, especially if you know how to code. If you go into the API section, there are code samples on how to hook up Kling AI models using Replicate's APIs. The fact that you can build your own integrations to using Kling AI through Replicate really unlocks like a new level of use cases, at least for developers. For example, your company could need high quality marketing videos. You could set up a pipeline for that. Or you can create an app that makes B-rolls for content creators like me. Or bring images to life for some photography website or like a wedding website. There's like a ton of use cases here, and it's definitely worth adding this knowledge to your toolkit. So if you're in the need to generate a lot of videos, this tool is going to be amazing. Now, even if you don't need to generate videos, learning tools like this will help you stand out in the AI world. So take some time to play around with it and understand the limitations of video generations. It will make you that much of a better developer. So I hope you learned something new in this quick video. If you want me to dive into any other topics around AI or software engineering, comment below. And have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.